I can feel your presence, rest my head inside your hand. Close to you, so you can hear my heart. But why is it so hard when our worlds just don't collide? Wish I could pretend I didn't need your thoughts are haunting me inside my head. I can't unplug them. How do I unplug them, boy? Ooh, lightning strikes when I see you so happy. Maybe I was born to be so lonely for so long. Can someone tell me what is wrong? Ooh, oh, baby, I feel so hollow, baby. You're out of reach, but I just want more, one close to you. I wanna be close to you, so I can feel your presence, rest my head inside your hand. Close to you, so you can hear my heart. But why is it so hard when our worlds just don't collide? I know that emotions are taking it forever, never beside me, but I guess I was wrong. Cause I wanna scream and shout when I hope I slips over you and her, I'm backing out. Cause I'm not still in wires. I deserve to love and to be loved. Love and to be loved. Oh, baby, I feel so hollow, baby. You're out of reach, but I just want more, one close to you. I wanna be close to you, so I can feel your presence, rest my head inside your hand. Close to you, so you can hear my heart. But why is it so hard when our worlds just don't collide? Oh, baby, oh, close to you. I wanna be close to you. I wanna be I think it is soft cause I love your profile. Your magic's all got like the weather so low. I'm having a fever cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs so like you're on. Your magic's all got. It all started when I saw your page. Seeing your smile, you took my breath away. I feel like I haven't known you forever. I love every word you say. Baby, you're my number one FYP. You chat with other people, but don't notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love, cause I love your profile. You make it so bad, you look so well. I'm having a fever cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it a lot. You make it so die. Hey, hey, hey. You make it so die. Is it too much to ask? A simple click. Feeling really anxious, I refresh the page. Still no new notifications. Still no one in your life. Baby, you're my number one FYP. Share with other people, but don't notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love, cause I love your profile. You make it so bad, you look so well. I'm having a fever cause you're so hot. Please my prayers finally were heard. Sadly now, I find a better TikTok guy. I think it is love, cause I love your profile. You're my TikTok guy, like it so well. I'm having a fever, cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it a lot. I'm my TikTok guy. On my mind, there's so much going on. I should maybe go and get somewhere. See the lights that are brighten up the streets, and those happy little kids, those corners where humans hiding all their problems, the places that are so great. And I can only question why, what's the worst in this life?